It was early in the morning. So it's currently 4 a.m. and I am so tired. We're supposed to be at the airport in an hour and I'm already running late. So here's my outfit. I'll see you at the airport. If you guys are looking for like a really fancy vlog, I'm sorry, my camera broke down in the last minute, so
we are here at Las Vegas airport, and now we're just getting the baggage and get out of here.
So when I walk in the car, this is the shower, guys. The reason why am I showing the shower? Because guys, look at this. It's so pretty. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, girl, got a mirror right here to do her makeup. Don't look at my nails. I didn't do any of my nails. Are you doing nails? She thinks she's real cute. Ooh. And that's my outfit. Got nice. Wow. I'm gonna save some water because I don't want anyone to come at me just like that. Oh, that's a toilet. How is this even a toilet? It's a toilet. Basic toilet, you know, whatever. Oh, I think I broke it. I hope I don't break it. No, I didn't break it. Out here, no kidding, I am like burning already. Oh, that these are all M&Ms, guys. Like, if you guys want these, just money. Right there, you can see it. That's Caesar Palace. Wow, guys, this is so crazy. Look at this. I'm on the edge. Whoa, whoa. Oh, it's so bright. I can't even see a thing.
She jumped out of a plane. It's a parachute. She was saying it's 4,000 feet, which is about the height of
This is the most beautiful place you've ever seen.
Oh, did you as well?
Yeah, look at that. There's a helicopter right there. Just right there.
tromba, batte samo, paesano, learn how to mambo. If you're gonna be a square, ain't gonna go.
Try the vlog. Wow, that's good. It's chocolate moon. Sippy sip. People gonna look at me like, oh, it's so weird. How do I eat it? Do I scoop it or do I eat it? Guys, I am so full right now. Look at this.